Hi everyone, I'm Laura. I'm the founder of Student Reader. And Student Reader mission, we focus on onboarding technical and non-technical students into Web3 and AI technology by making education more accessible and affordable. Just to give you a little bit about where we're at right now, Student Reader, we minted our NFT Foundations of Decentralized Identity. What that meant, we were able to fund our Treasury Scholarship, which we tested earlier this month successfully. It was live on mainnet around August 8th. What we're doing is with our partnership with Power Learn Project, African Blockchain, and Adanian Labs, we're identifying our first cohort of 10 students to give them the opportunity to redeem an ADA scholarship in the amount of $400 US once they complete the Atala Prism 101 course and receive their course completion credential. We're hoping that these students will allow us to, tell everyone about their journey, share, what their interests are, and we should see that hopefully later this month.
Thank you, Laura. As Laura mentioned, we've been building Student Reader for about a year. Our first program, the Foundations of Decentralized Identity Learning Lab, has a 101A component and a 101B component. The 101A students fund scholarships in 101B. And what we want to do with this proposal, the Student Reader 2.0, Identity Oracles, Smart Contracts with Atala, Prism, and Aiken, is rebuild that scholarship program using Prism V2 and using Aiken instead of Plutus for the smart contract piece. And so just like we built a learning lab for the Foundations of Decentralized Identity, and we created a book and minted it, teaching technical and non-technical audiences about decentralized identity, we propose to do the same thing, but for smart contracts, and have an experiential learning experience of interacting with a smart contract and getting a small scholarship payment back while building a student scholarship smart contract. So it's sort of full circle with this proposal to rebuild the student scholarship technology with the latest smart contract tech. At the same time, building a 101 learning lab for people that are technical and non-technical to interact with smart contracts, while at the same time providing this Oracle and smart contract example as open source.